Okay. You know, down in front, I'm busy here, and you're in the way. Come on. I got him, Pretty Bird, some really cool stuff. It's goodies all the way through. Isn't that good looking? And it came with, well, it's supposed to be for parakeets. But don't tell him, okay? Because there it is. It comes with this plastic thing that you fold together and snap it together. And he can go up there and eat it that way, instead of having to eat seeds out of there. And everybody loves Pretty Bird. This is Thomas. I'm sorry, Theodore. He just loves watching Pretty. Hi, Pretty Bird. And that's yeah, that's Honey way up there. You know, you need to get down. I just fell on the porch, and I don't really care about lifting you up. Come on, get down. Get down. I know. Birds and cats, I know. But we don't care. Go away. What? As your mother fed you, you're tall and strong, and that's Sophie. Sophie is 2 years old. Isn't she pretty? And that little girl is our Amish kitty, Frances. Oh. And that's Snuggles. Might have to lower it. Running out of places to put stuff. I guess I could put it on the other side. I have to stand up and put it there. My arm doesn't bend like, you know, maybe if I was a child. Come on. No. No help. Okay, I just wanted to share. But see how nice that is? I think I probably have to move it down because it's not close to the thing. Anyway, he will love it. I just know he will. Pretty Bird says goodbye.